right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm gonna let you
Good
finish your
morning.
introductory. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's
Sorry.
okay. It's okay. Um, and we are H2Grow. We are trichologists, hair care specialists, which hair loss
Mhm.
specialists and scalp disorder specialists. Yes,
Yes.
I messed
Hair
up because
hair loss and scalp disorder
yeah.
specialist. It's okay. It's okay. And actually, this month, everybody, it's Women's History Month.
Yes.
So I think this is going to be a great opportunity for us to talk about women and empowerment and how we're coming together and making things happen. Because, my business partner and I, we are also entrepreneurs before we even met each other. And so we came on our next venture to start our products. So this is a great month. So I hope you guys are going to be ready for some fun filled facts. I think we'll start sharing with you guys in regards to women and what we're doing and how we're making things happen, making power moves. So, what did you want to talk about today?
So I think for those who don't know, maybe we could reintroduce ourselves and how we met a little
Absolutely.
story.
I love it. Okay. So, my name is Jennifer Dupo. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I am the owner of Just Relax Salon and Spa Inc. and co-owner of H2Grow Inc. Hair Care Products. I met Patricia Harold when we were getting certification for our trichology certification. We met up in Orlando, and I did the program online first. She went to the program and did it in person, and that was her second in person training. And for me, I was just like, I had already started my hair loss process with not doing it in person. So I kind of figured things out along the way. And Patricia was just listening to me, and she was just like, oh, okay, let's see what she's about, because she's from the same area and didn't even know we're like not even that far away from each other, probably like 20 minutes. And
Yeah.
I ended up having to reschedule my flight. And she was like, uh, I'm going that way. She drove up. You can come with me. And it's been history ever since. She and I have very similar goals, similar aspirations, same drive. We both had solid credit and things of that nature. So she and I, we took a leap of faith. And here we are today. I would not change my partner for the world, because partnership is not an easy road. And for Patricia and I, we started our business during the pandemic. So we made it through the storm beyond storms. Yes. Okay. So it's 2025. And again, I would not change a thing. Is we just became very close, and communication with her and I was the key. Some stuff I'm more quiet, but she helped me to be like, no, we got to talk about it, put it on the table. And okay, it might not be easy, or we might not agree, but we can agree to disagree and still allow ourselves to, push through. So I appreciate her for that. Um, and here we are today. You're welcome. So hopefully, you share your experience, but that was my experience. I'm a person that found it very hard to open up and share and create ventures, because I've always gotten burnt through those processes. Sometimes you meet people and their intentions aren't really God's intention. So it's okay. But I
Yeah.
just want y'all to know that there is still people out here that actually are genuinely loving, God fearing, and respect the fact that if it's us, we going through it together. Like, we're gonna make it happen. And if we don't want to do this no more, we sit at the table and say,
Yeah.
what does this look like? You like two grown adults. So I appreciate you for that, big sis.
And that's what I was gonna say. It takes a village and it takes adults to go through this. My name is Patricia Harrell. I am a cosmetologist slash trichologist and co-owner of H2 Grow. Um, Like Jen said, we met in trichology course, getting certified,
Mm-hmm.
and we just hit it off automatically. I was sitting behind Jen in class, and I saw this girl with this big old hair and these glasses, and she was asking all the right questions, guys. When it came to the instructors, Jen was asking the right questions, and when she said she was from Tamarack, Florida, I was like, wait a minute, that's only 20 minutes away from me. So I kept watching her
Yeah.
because she was I mean, dead on hitting the right questions. Every chapter, every conversation, if she had a question, she asked the right questions. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep watching her because, mind you, I had just started my course um, 2 weeks prior to me doing the second part, maybe
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks or 3 weeks, or maybe a month.
Mm-hmm.
And I was new in the business, so I was still learning. Jen was already out there. She was already she was already helping people with hair loss. She was already doing it like a year before me. So I was like, this is somebody I can learn from. The one thing I have to say, guys, as cosmetologists or as anybody, you always have room to learn. You always have room to ask questions,
Mm-hmm.
especially if you want to grow in this atmosphere.
Yeah.
So basically, what the instructor was saying, Jen kind of broke it down to me as, listen, you got to meet people where they at. Yes, this course cost us a pretty
Pretty
penny.
penny. Yeah, pretty
Uh,
penny.
as a matter of fact, I think I'm still paying my American Express for that course.
It is what it is.
And you have to meet people where they at. So Jen taught me how to meet our people where we
Mm-hmm.
at. Let them budget, let them start somewhere. If it's just a shampoo, if it's just laser treatment. I mean, she was just helping me with the packaging. Um, I learned so much from Jen. And she thinks she learned so much from me. I learned so much from her. And
Oh,
I was
thank
able
you.
to I was able to help my clients that were suffering with hair loss through meeting them where they at with their budget.
Right.
And I'm so grateful for Jen.
Oh, you're welcome.
And the fact that we're on the same page as far as the same goals, and it was just common sense for us to, and the fact that we get along, it was common sense for us to um branch and open up our business. And like Jen said, during the pandemic, we had this bright idea, and we did it. We have our products, we have our finishing products
Yes.
here. Our edge control, which we can't keep on the
On
shelf.
the shelf. They sell out. Yes.
Jen, we're almost out of edge control again. I
I love
mean,
it. I love it. I
listen.
love it.
But all jokes aside, as adults and partnership, you can do it. We just have to always be on one accord, communicate.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like a marriage,
Yeah,
pretty much.
for sure. It is.
We have to do our part in the business. We have to stay consistent and be patient. That's our tagline.
Yeah.
And we just have to keep going. Because Jen and I, H2Grow, we're 3 feet away.
3 feet away.
I can see us now. So we're going
Absolutely.
to stay positive, and we're going to continue to work.
Yeah.
And we're going to continue to teach and educate women and men
Hmm.
about hair loss
And
and
healthy
scalp
hair and
disorders.
scalp
Yes,
disorders. Yeah,
because
absolutely.
we don't just help hair loss, we help the ones with healthy hair as well because
Hmm.
they want to maintain
Right.
their hair. So,
Yes, for sure.
I mean, it's been a journey. It wasn't easy. It was a lot of learning. and a lot of getting out here. Because when it was months when me and Jan said we was gonna go live, and we never did it. You know, we was like, okay, we just have to do it. And that one day we just did it. We just jumped on live. We started talking about what we do.
Yeah.
And then it just got easier and easier.
Easier.
Cause
Yeah.
I look back at those old those
Videos.
old lives and I was like, wow, I have grown.
Yeah.
I don't talk the same way. I'm learning how to speak to our community, you know.
Right.
So, cause I get a little nervous when the camera say action. I be like, uh, oh, what, you know.
Yeah.
Now, if we sitting here having a conversation, it's
Easy.
breezy. I don't have no problem. So I
Exactly.
must say that I have learned a lot from Jen. If I say the word
Oh.
incorrectly, Jen was, because she's a Jimmy Neutron. She is a
Oh.
sciencey person, and I also learned from her. So, hey, this is a team. That's what it's about.
Well, listen,
Growing
I
together.
learned from you with, okay, we're gonna make it work. We're just gonna go out there and do it. Because she was like, Jen, you can't be scared. You just gotta jump. You gotta take, a calculated risk. Now, I'm not gonna go out here and jump in the water, but Pat has taught me to take opportunity if the opportunity is worth taking the opportunity. So you definitely need those types of people in your life, because I would have still held on to the money that I invested into this project and still didn't have anything to say, oh, I have something to look forward to, or leaving generational wealth for our kids, because
Yeah,
she and I are single moms and we both have one child, but mine is still younger than Pat's, but we still have the
yeah,
same mindset of, this is not just about us, it's about leaving things for our family and making life a lot easier, because we don't, I think it is, we don't share enough as brown people, um, as women, as just people. We have to learn how to network, and she helped me network better, speak out, ask questions. So yes, salute to you, sis. I
yeah.
appreciate that, and it's not easy.
And I
Like she
guess
said,
it
it ain't
does.
easy.
Yeah. And I guess it takes the two of us, because you, the researcher, I'm the doer. You know, I'll go do it. Jen will
Yeah,
research it. She will find the answer. I'm one of those people that'll just jump and say, hey, let's do it. We could do it. We could do it. And
yeah,
Jen can research it. So it makes a great team. You know, where she's weak, I'm strong. Where I'm
right,
weak, she's strong.
for sure.
So um, I'm grateful for you.
Me
Thank
too.
you.
Oh, thank you.
I know that it takes communication and it takes a team, but we're going to make it happen. We're adults. We're adult women who know what we want in life. So it's taking what we have to put it into our business.
Amen. Amen. Yes, I love it. So, again, this month is Black Women's History Month. I also wanted to put in a plug that I'm dropping my ebook this month. We're also going to have a promo through the drop in the ebook. So it's going to give you guys an opportunity to try some of our products at a discounted rate. Also, I'll be offering a discount on hair loss consultations. So I'll be putting that out there. I just wanted to let y'all know. So it's about
Listen,
stress and hair
Jen,
loss. So I'm excited, you know,
I'm so
about that.
proud of you.
Thank
So
you.
proud of you. I will be following you soon. But I'm so proud of you. I mean, that is amazing,
Thank
and I'm
you.
I'm happy for you, and I
Yeah,
wish you much success in
I
your ebook,
appreciate that. Thank you.
which I know it will be much success for H2Grow.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
um, and those who know me that call me the candle lady at the farmers market, I really appreciate you stopping by. Jen had some customers that came by and they was like, I know you. You go live with Jennifer. And I was like, yeah. with H2Grow. And so some of my clients who come to me for candles, it was like, oh, I didn't know you was a superstar.
I love it. I love
I was
it.
like,
I love it.
yeah, yes, and no.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like, yes, and then I introduced them to H2Grow, and I let them know that you and I go live once a week. We talk about hair care, we talk about a lot of things,
yeah, for sure.
and not just our products. We talk about life in general. Um, and it was like, okay, what time? When do you go? So I ended up giving up some information, our YouTube channel. And I was saying, if you can't make the lives, we're on YouTube. You
Right,
can go to our YouTube channel and you can see the lives that we did
right.
on Instagram on our YouTube channel. They was like, what? I mean, you just sit here and you just, and then
Talk.
one lady
Yeah,
said, I can imagine it because you always educate, even just with the candles.
right.
So we're education. We through education, um, we're able to go live and talk to people.
Love it. I
Yeah.
love it. Awesome. Awesome. So, you could find us on Etsy, as she said, YouTube. We are on Walmart
Yes.
Marketplace. Where else? What else? We have so much
Yeah.
opportunities for our H2Grow products. Um, like, subscribe, and share. Share this with someone that you know that might be struggling with hair loss, or they just need some information in regards to how to maintain healthy hair. We would love that. Thank you so much for constantly supporting us. For those that are in our communities, we thank you so much, and we are going to continue to push this great product and informations out here for those that are looking for something that's going to work. Doesn't work overnight, but it will work with patience and consistency.
Yes.
So there you
Yes. There you go.
go. So until next time,
Be patient.
and stay consistent. Peace.